Oh, we're back. Okay, we're back to regular. 1 hour and 31 minutes to download. Basically, let's go back to Unity to see if it actually. Hey, look, I got a new project. Window. I don't have to go to Terrain Manager. I just don't wait, cause So do I have to when I get that done downloaded? Do I have to go? It will have its own window. Oh no, I already have. No, I don't. Window. Now I forgot how to do it. Component. Add mesh. Add effects. Add mesh. Physics. Game object. Assets. I thought it was window. And it says 2019. Yeah, I was gonna say this is 2019. Yes, I want to show preview packages. Now I can't find info. Train thingy. It's not installed. Okay, hold on. This is 2019 point. Yeah, this is right. Why is it not installed? Wait a second. Don't tell me I have to install it every time I create a new project. You know what? Don't tell me. Do I have to do that? Do I have to install the packages every time I create a new project? Because I'm in 2019. I'm in the right one, but all of the packages are not installed. I installed in my. I don't know if I should reinstall it because I go back to stream one and it's like they're all installed. The ones I installed, at least. Yeah, they're installed. So I was gonna say. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo this and say I think I understand what's going on. Now it did say in Unity Hub. Where are you, Unity Hub? That's so cool. Grass. Oh, that's trees. Never mind. I thought that was grass. Oh, the trees. I thought I was looking at trees and it's like, oh, that's grass. I was like, no. Oh, your first time game dev too? Oh, we're doing the first time game dev, like literally first time game dev. That's what mine says too. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Shout out testing Unity, path to 500 followers. Like we're doing first time game dev. I'm gonna shout. I know you're the only one in my channel. Make town. Oh, that's cool. Last playing Twitch sings. Huh? Is that? Oh, that's not even the same. I'm not even the same person. I'm trying to shout you out and I can't. You're not say anything in chat, so I can't. I was actually looking at the wrong person. I don't know who that was. Added. Okay, let's try this again. Now I can actually find some you. And Oh, there we go. Just remove the at symbol. Ha, AJC, C guy, girl, C what? Yeah, me and you are the only one in chat though, so I guess that really is it. Oh, cool. You watch your stream too? You watch your own stream? With your internet, you could do like in like 500 streams or something like now, maybe like 50 streams. I mean, your computer would be yeah. I like I like those trees over there. They're kind of cool. I can't really tell a difference. I mean, they look like trees to me, so. I like the one that has they look taller. I like those taller ones. Oh, you can? what about the oceans? Can you like go to the bottom of the ocean? Like, so that's why I was actually working on this. See how my map is? Where's my Unity? I'll go back to it. My map, I'll show you. I'll go back to scenes. That's basically the outline. That's what it's gonna look like after I get all the way fine down and the mountains up here. So right here is the mountain. So if I set now I'm gonna set everything above. I'm gonna set everything above. Let's say 4,250. Making a lake. You want to? Yeah. Make a what? What did you say? I thought you said lake, like a. Oh yeah. Oh, how are you gonna have to offset your terrain and like up? Because I know you can't like. Hey. Oh, someone says say something. Something in your chat. Try saying. Oh, I was like, wait a second. That's not my chat. Oh, I wish it was. I would have another viewer. I guess we're mixing viewers right now. Oh no! Please don't crash my stream. I was gonna say it was buffering. Oh, download's gone. What happened to it? Downloads. Oh, it still downloads. 21% and 18%. One says 37 minutes to go, and one says an hour and 27 minutes ago. Waterfalls, that'd be cool. Yeah, let's do it. So, what do you think? Do you want to do that? Like, we can get in our own team and make our own game. We just have to figure the details out, though. That'd be cool. Yeah, we could do that. I just have to hit my dad to see if I can up the internet. Or maybe you can help. I don't know. Probably not. I mean, I would probably have to have like $100 some, I think, to get like the fastest internet they have, 50 megabits per second down and 5 up. But that would be fast enough to stream 720p. I mean, I could stream it at 2,500 at 720p and be like good enough. And I could literally watch like 3 or 4 other streamers at the same time too. Oh, this is so cool! I can't wait to get Gaia. It's gonna be exciting. So, what about all the dependent files? Because I'm assuming that you sent the main file, like the main file. Is it gonna like okay, it wants to download all the other files? Is that how it's gonna work? Because when I go over to Gaia on the Unity store, it says there are 1,000 something, so many 1,500 some files in the pack in Gaia. But since you only send one file, I wonder if you're actually sending like the, oh, I see, entire package. Without the rest of the package content? Interesting. That's the code. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any games in mind for like a online multiplayer, but I think I could do like a local multiplayer for this. I mean, I'll probably start out small for the I don't know what I want to call it. The game I described, the like the future game. Yeah, I know. I think maybe 10,000, 10 what wait year bet 1 billion. I don't know. Anno 1 billion. I don't. I already have that Anno series. I can't take that. Um, future of humanity. Well, this seems complicated right there. That's a lot of arrows and buttons. What did you mess up on? Can you actually sculpt terrain? Can you show me how to do that? How big is that terrain? So how do you do it? Do you actually import Gaia? You can create a new project, import Gaia, or do you have to create a terrain first? Okay. Fake lighting, as in the static light. So I know I watched some videos. So there is like for objects that don't move, it's you use bake lighting or the but for moving objects or non-static objects, you have to use like render pipelines, HDR HDRP, high definition render pipeline, or or you can use um there's another lightweight render pipeline or something like that. As for like, but I think I would probably use HDRP. Oh, you got the ocean too. How deep is the ocean? What's that? What's that? It looks like a. Is that a lake? Yeah. It, outside the map. So can you actually create multiple tiles? Because you said you could only make 1,000 by 58, but can you? Because I know you can make adjacent tiles. So is there actually a limit to how? Because I know big games have like Minecraft Infinite has infinite worlds. So how do you do that in Unity? 60,000? Because obviously I counted more than that in Unity. I've been counting billions of squares if I keep zooming out. Literally, it's infinite, I guess. How many? Oh, in Gaia. 60,000 meters. Okay, so I did the math, and you need to be the circumference of Earth. That's 40 million meters, and to be, I mean, if you're probably a real space game with real size, just from the Earth to the Sun is like a billion meters, and like to Pluto is like a trillion meters, and to like it's like a trillion kilometers to Alpha Centauri, which is like a quadrillion meters. So, and then like across the universe is like 93 billion light years, so that's an absurd number of meters. But if I zoom out, I can just literally zoom out, and the squares just combine into a big square, and then that big square combines into a bigger square, and that keeps doing that. It's like, how far does this scale go? So my thing is like 8,000. So if I zoom in all the way, wait, I can see the checkerboard, which is one. See, I think is 1 by 1. So I can zoom out, and each. So I actually counted it. The checkerboard squares. So let's go out of this map. Get me out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. I count wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. And then you can see these squares here make up a larger square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that square, those squares make up a larger square, but by the time that's one cube right here, that's 1, and then there's 10, that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 100. This shows a cube of 100 here. And this is a cube of 1,000. And that is a cube of 10,000, 100,000, a million, 10 million, 100 million, a billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, a trillion, 10 trillion, and it just comes white after I get to 10 trillion. I'm gonna just literally look up how big a map can you make in Unity. Max Unity map size. I think it's about probably 10 billion, 10 trillion, 10 trillion. Maximum map size. Which is infinitely large. If you implemented proper streaming and custom coordinate system, nothing is really stopping you from reading, writing to disk as you need data. Infinitely large, infinitely large procedurally generated game. I could do that. That would take a team of 1,000, $100 million or something like that. Well, no, if okay, so infinitely large team and an infinite amount of money, yes, but if I'm using procedure generation, then like maybe a couple 100,000 because I wouldn't have to actually draw every planet or every star or every galaxy or every Milky solar system or every universe or in the actual universe. I would just have to like tell it, hey, I want you to create these objects, place them this far apart, place them this set of physics and stuff like that. I don't know if you ever heard of Space Engine before. It's like this procedurally generated universe. Space Engine. It's not like not like Space Engineer, but it's just Space Engine. That's kind of cool though. Well, it was free to play. Now it's like, well, for the updated version on Steam, it's like I don't know. So let me see. It seems. Oh, Station already DLCs already? What? DLC? Oh, DLC because it has a solar system. Never mind. There's probably free MMORPGs. Oh, never mind. Oh, Star Trek Online, EVE Online, or MMO. It's Is it massively multiplayer role-playing game? I guess. Massive multiplayer online role-playing game. Black hole. That's so cool. I have the Space Engine Pro, which looks like it can work on Wait, what? Skybox? Wait, you can export a skybox? Oh my goodness. That is so cool. You can actually make a skybox. I mean, that's what 32 point floating point. Wait a second. Let me look this up. I'm got so many tabs open right now. It's so crazy. Space engine sky. I can go space engine sky box for Unity. Space Sky's free asset store. Space Skybox? Oh wow. Free! It's free! It's free! Package contains 3 different Space Skybox in various textures. Let me go over this. Unity, I didn't think about. Let's go to my terrain. I'm getting somewhere, at least. Space engine. Space exploration. $225. Space exploration engine. Whoa, that's so cool though. Space exploration lets you break down the walls of your game world. Your players can be walking around on the planet surface in 1 minute. Oh my goodness, that's exactly what I want! Stepping into a spaceship and taking flight toward your big world. During the journey, the player might walk around inside the ship and interact with. Oh my goodness! It's only worth 2 megabytes. 2 megabytes. How in the world do you fit all that on the 2 megabytes? That makes no sense. Not required. You need Pro. Does not require critic. Does not require. What is it? Or they might float outside the ship. It must be scripts because scripts are really lightweight, I guess. And maybe some texture files. You might float outside the ship and carry it. Because obviously Gaia is like 2 gigabytes and is like. It's called on the asset store Space Exploration Engine by Damien Till. Drag and drop planets and ring worlds into your game. Customize the size, know how big you make them. Mass, train, style, more. Usually, guy explains how to use the assets as well as explain how to work it for the curious. Oh my goodness, raid! Dun 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 dun. Thanks for the raid! That's like the second raid. I like all the cool how I customize the color. You see how it's the color in the raid box? The raid, you know the where it says rated. You see, I like a goldish color, a goldish copper color, like a copperish red. I kind of like that color. That's so cool, right? show you out again, cause HJ. Okay. Well, so when you want to next like do like another stream like this? Maybe tomorrow. We could do something tomorrow. So how? So we want to be like. I can because I was thinking if you want to help out with the stream because I need more moderators too. That way you get extra badges. That about getting badges though. Oh god. Yeah, because actually, I need people. I don't get that many trolls anyway, but I need. As I wanted to badges. I like getting badges. They're fun. Yeah, it says he was subscribed. I mean, if I looked at get the well, my 3 month badge, so we'd have to subscribe like 2 more months to get it. So if I go over here, you can see I got the 1 year badge on mine. See, 1 year badge. 14 months actually it says 14 months subscriber, 1 year badge. I could give this. I know I can. I wish I had the money to, but give this. I mean, look, 5. I would like give the 100 subs if I could. Like, hey, it's almost day. I can see it's starting to get light out. Tier 2, tier 3. This is all my emotes. I don't know if you see them all. I mean, I had them all at once. Which one's your favorite emote? One of my favorite. One of my. Which ones do you like the most? I like the hype too. It's so cool. It's probably one of my favorite ones. I also like the eclipse one. That's so cool. I might make a solar eclipse. We'll see. I'll probably wait till like the 2024 lunar eclipse and to like get partner or something like that and make like the solar eclipse version. I just call it S or S sun eclipse or solar eclipse or whatever. Maybe moon is made that lunar eclipse or I don't know how I would call it. Because it's already eclipsed, so eclipse 2 maybe. Then the thing I had to work on right away is getting faster internet speed. Look, the file is only downloads 44 and 34% downloaded. So still got a while. I mean, it's 7:28. What? Wait, it's 7:28 and it's still dark out. What? This doesn't make sense. I thought it was like 6 o'clock when I was in California. It was like 6, like 5 o'clock in the 5:30 when it was getting light out. And it was like I literally was getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 1 o'clock. One time I woke up at 3:30. I think it was 3 o'clock in the morning. One morning for TwitchCon. I went back to sleep. I went back. I rested a little bit for like a couple more hours, and then got to TwitchCon. I was like 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. I was in almost no line, so like I was like the third person there both times. Like it's kind of cool. So what do you want to do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow? Well, like if you're gonna game develop, do some more game developing. Cause I'll probably stream some tomorrow too. Cause I'll probably end up falling asleep. Yeah, I want to see what it takes to get into this application thing for Discord. Teams are important in our lives. Some case teams are touchdown and kick free throws. Discord teams create and manage apps. Here you can create team, add team members, and manage their roles. Okay, see you later. Now the bitrate will be a little bit better. Okay, you can close that. It's infinitely large if you implement proper streaming and custom coordinate system. They really stop you from writing this to all as you need data. Well, the main limits to maintain are going to be your own ingenuity and resourcefulness. Oh well, ingenuity and resourcefulness. Why not? We can assume it can be time. That time can be infinite. Playing a game with auto I assume that time can be infinite. Then a computer playing a game with auto-generated maps would also have an infinite world. Obviously, I wrote this with Nerd's kernel. Totally doesn't answer the question. Also, so it could crash, break, be destroyed, nuclear bomb, and map generation stop. Theory. Question about your size eyes. I read one. Says animal oceans calculation. And half the winner. Object is units for origin. Yes, a million units for the origin. Well, or estimate maybe someone has a clear idea again. No, so like a million without anything. Single point precision floating point generally gets you 7 digits. So coordinates can say 1.123.4567 or 1234.567 or 12345.67 or that's about 12,000 or 12345.6.7 W1 further than 3 digits after the decimal. Okay, so scale you're using 2 might be enough. So 12,353. So single precision floating point gets you 7 digits. What about multi-precision floating point? Multi-precision floating point. Arbitrary precision accurate. Multi-precision. Dual precision floating point number.
According to Stack Overflow, basically single precision floating point arithmetic deals with 32-bit floating point numbers, whereas double precision deals with 64-bit.
Double precision. We need a double precision something. Double precision. DP precision FP. DPF point. Unit. Unity. Okay, fine if he doesn't understand. Double precision floating point unity. Floating point in unity, floating point precision unity. Triple floating point precision. Oh, they have triple floating point. No, it acts by a number twice as large. Double. See, 4 floats. Floats have 32. How to name how double floating point comparisons. I have some trouble with someone link some to complete test. The switch I have other say so it's how to make a real scale universe simulator in Unity. Creating universe with Unity. Creating universe with Unity. Can you actually do that? Or you get like floating point errors? Oh, let's go over here to meet this deck. I want to see how to do this. Mute the desktop, if the desktop even works. Properties. I see this. It's still working. Test now, okay, done. Mute the desktop. Desktop didn't even work, so I got no notifications. So I'll be right back and watch this video, see what it says. Can read in universe. With Unity. $30, holy smoke! Can you just like skip to Oh my goodness, I didn't realize Universe Sandbox used Unity. No wonder why the apparent boxes and everything in Unity. Huh. Oh, live demo. So it's gonna be like, you shouldn't even watch this during the stream. I'm really tired right now. When was this video made? I can't tell. Published 2014. Video game back. Game jam. Unity Labs demo. Ooh, want to do that? Unity Labs demo. Unity Labs demo. I was gonna say you can't find it. What are you talking about? Alchemy Labs. What are you talking about? You can't find it. There is no such. What's you talking about? Unity Labs demo. It's in an access store. So why can't I see it? Oh, it's no longer available. No wonder why. I kind of want to watch this video. I'm gonna open it in YouTube so I can watch it later. I'm gonna pause it and watch it later. So, Unity simulation. Enable autonomy at scale with Unity simulation. Unity simulation harness the power of cloud computing. Harness the power of cloud computing. And run millions of simulations faster than real time to test terrain and validate your projects at scale. Test multiple iteration products at any point of development. Train your autonomous system millions of scenarios and edge cases. Validate multiple validation concepts with any upright hardware without any upright roguery. Games with I want to see what list of games made with Unity. List of AAA triple. List of games made with Unity. By Studio 8 MDH. Cuphead is a run and an action indie game based on classic 1930 cartoon style. It was achieved to the hand-drawn animation, watercolor backgrounds, jazzy soundtrack, score live material. Most visually striking ever made with Unity. What are some Unity games? One of the most famous Unity games, Hearthstone from Blizzard. However, many startups also use Unity. Some are Mountain Valley, Dead Trigger 2, etc. List of Unity games. Oh, it came out in 2005. Kerbal Space Program 2 is going to use Unity. Oh my goodness. I didn't know that. It's going to be Unity. I guess must have been Kerbal Space Program 1 was also the whole plague. It's going to be Unity. Game modes, currencies, physics, alpha, pre-development, and with hired by squad and able to have at time company that develop software and Kerbal game mode. I figured instead of Kerbal Space Program initialized by co-founder Alpha Beta. Version by nickname Beta than ever was released on 15th of 2014. Beta update for Kerbal so version since we write code version Take-Two on initiative interactive ownership. Other general efforts were released at Squad with an education team at GU collaboration teacher C. Single Kerbal analysis game time 2019. Games development Star Theory and Pirate Division 5 released to build on the current sandbox feature in Kerbal Space Program. While at the same time, there is an inverted portion method around our rotation module building a sort of pending how and interstellar travel. Also, seen early access and turning. Carl and 3D printing service with the price of now bears. What? You got 3D print? Oh yes! No way! 14. I guess Kerbal Space Program also was okay, I'm not even seeing chat. What's going on? What am I doing? Hello, chat window. And why am I not in chat? Why am I not in chat for? Okay, where is it? What is it? When was it released? Let's go back. What was it again? Okay, release. 1.0 released in April 2015, so City Skylines is also Unity? I wouldn't have guessed City Skylines being Unity. Don't tell me the Sims 4 is Unity. Probably not. Sims 4 is probably not Unity. Nope. City Skylines is Unity? Okay, let's see what else is on Unity. Ape Out, Call of Duty Mobile, Doom, Human Fall Flat, Knights and Bikes, My Friend Pedro. Holy smokes, there's a lot. Untitled Goose Game is also Unity. Subnautica is Unity. Oh, I didn't know that. 2 Point Hospital is Unity. Overcooked 2 is Unity. Um, PC Building Simulator is Unity. Rimworld. Beat Saber is Unity. Dusk is Unity. 2017. Oxygen not included Unity. Ooh, I'm so tired now. 2016. Pokemon Go. Is Minecraft? When was Minecraft made? That'd be funny if Minecraft was made in Unity. Minecraft-like game. How to make a Minecraft-like game in Unity. How to make a Minecraft-like game Unity with Unity. How to make a game like Minecraft Unity episode 1 tutorial. How to create a Minecraft-like game in Unity. Oh, that would be so cool to make Minecraft-like pixel, like what do you call it? Minecraft games where players mine, excavate, craft, create various type of 3D block with extensive terrain layers are very popular. Ability to players to make Minecraft would dig and build what they want by themselves. Make such games thrilling and full of fun. 2 part project to create Minecraft-like games. Unity also subject to learn ins and outs, creating multiplayer sandbox. Minecraft Love from scratch. This Unity Minecraft project. Aspiring game developer wants to venture in the lucrative game industry. So game developer wants to learn new techniques, creating multiple games. An amazing game using a development engine. And this project suited for you don't any project. It's intermediate C sharp knowledge, basic knowledge of servers, basic knowledge of UI, basic knowledge of Unity networking. It's able to find out finishing curriculum server side. Holy smoke. Register for live ED Pro subscription account. Master techniques creating Minecraft games, both on client and server side. Find you can find the 2 parts of the project here and here. Okay. Do I got the desktop muted still? Yeah. Hmm. Scripts, wow. Among my average viewers? Huh. What's my achievement say? I'm gonna pause this as well. I'm gonna watch all these videos after as soon as my streams end, which is in about an hour from now. 1.69 average viewers. Oh, I streamed 46 hours so far. I'm getting up there again. I'm actually getting back up to where my 15 out of 12 days. I got 2 requirements for partner. I just need multiple big raids, day after day after day. Raids don't count. Oh, like I said, current viewers excluding host raids and embeds. Raids don't count. But that was been fun. If it did count. Oh, if only I had a raid. Every day, just for like the next 30 days. But it doesn't work that way. I mean, if I get a 100 view raid, I can eventually get like. I mean, I would just like need like a 10,000 viewer raid. That'd be crazy. Let's go back to game development because I'm getting distracted again. I'm always distracted. That's the hardest thing to do. Oh yes. $50,000. Okay, I need more like 750. It's gonna be easier when I'm covering. Oops. It's gonna be easier when I'm carving away huge chunks of land with each pass. I can even go up to 1,250. Allows me to carve away even faster. Okay, let's go down to like 75. And maybe like 200. Oh, come on. Oops. I have to go back. Just click multiple times. Keep forgetting that I had to click multiple times. So awesome. I'm actually game developing right now. I'm doing more. Oops. More game rendering than. Map developing, I guess. I'm not into the flashy code yet. The flashy code. I don't know what else I would call it. I mean, it is very fancy to have code in your streams. I'm just into the physical part of it, or more visual rendering and stuff. So that's about it for that. Okay, let's move the height. Interesting. I'm always interested with high definition render pipeline or HDRP. I wonder if they use that in movies. They probably do with all the fancy graphics. I wonder what AAA means. Games. And look up another tab. What does I'm trying to play is an informal classification used for games the highest development budget and also promotion. AA means can indie game developer have a cool type games? Can an indie make AAA games? Major difference between indie and AA video. And one is making better games than AAAs. AAA titles. How about a quadruple A title? For is it better what? In what way? What preventing playing a game or do stuff up to you? Well, how to make an AA game with Unity. How to make a AA game in Unity. Unity. How to make a game. How to make an AA game in Unity or fail badly. Or fail badly. or fail badly. You just fail badly, so bad a game explodes, the computer explodes, the universe explodes, everything explodes and goes kaboom! You fail and the game blew up, your universe blew up, boom, 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 boom. Tapping the problem. What makes AA experience begin with? The post-processing? Is it Zing brushing wrinkles into your characters? See brushing wrinkles into your characters and rendering it during 10 million polys on screen? 10 million polys on screen. One of the things that take longest and hardest thing to make most people. The most efficient approach. You develop person tools can be used as sometimes more fun to find. For aspects of the game, long hanging fruit and other things to make to quality and hanging fruit. Hanging fruit. Just eat all the fruit. Num 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 num. All the fruit's gone. Overall, program your own tools at all costs. Shout out some money improvement. High quality tools that enable you to speed up your workflow in an order of magnitude. If you're competing with games that take tens of millions of dollars, what's a few thousand or tens of thousands? What's a few thousand? If you're competing with games that take tens of millions of dollars, what is a few thousand or tens of thousands? Optimize workflow mean creating a pipeline for code and art so that I did as quickly and seamless as possible. This will make or break a game at scale. In 2 years and 10 years, which is effectively never. This is effectively never. And it's effectively art time. Buy a materials library like Sundance Database. Avoid unnecessary art time. Buy a materials library like Sundance Database. Buy untextured models or art assets that are part of the background. Crates, weapons, vehicles, things like that. Even characters, especially background NPCs. Untextured models have very little character, but MOCAB, animation, sound effects, libraries. Incredible amount of this stuff. Utilize rapid asset creation tools where possible. Procedural text creation tools, train creation tools, character editors. Swap tools that make things faster, such as fully modeled geometry, no normal breaks. We'll defer decor shaders for detailed detailing textures, make tricks as face way normals to keep always down. A lot of those games you're making though, some kind of big stuff is better for hard services. A lot of kind of module kits. Unity. War Machine for terrain, yes. My space game that will, yes, for my space game there'll be planetary stuff. World Machine. World Machine. World Machine. The premier 3D terrain generator. Stop hand sculpting 3D terrain. Put algorithms to work for you. Tools like Erasure to create realistic landscape. Then export to Unity UE4 favorite 3D tool. You forgot about World Machine! You forgot about. Oh, wait. It's probably Express Indie. For indie developers, professionals, Studio Suite license 1000 license for all users at a single location. Also, unlimited number of workstations for sync export assets to complete boxes. Hey, it's done! I finally actually got done. One of them is done downloading. Others at 73%. 1 gigabyte. A whole gigabyte's downloaded. Okay, we get back into Fortnite. Oh, this is. Oh, there we go. Machine. There we go. This message. Premiere 3D trained generator. World. Free non-commercial. For good use as long as you don't sell it. Otherwise, popular. Mm-hmm. 513 by 13. Well, that's cool. I still like full examples combined with. Can you use this with Unity? World Machine? Unity? Let me see. Oh yes, World Machine. Introduction to World Machine. $25 just to introduce the World Machine? Wow. I wonder how people make this awesome guy stamps and trains. Do you want to generate own high quality fact using? With World Machine, it's time to stop to someone else's work and start making your own. Introducing World Machine. Series that video series that covers everything you need. Features. Foundations to construct your own high quality project. Guaranteed most. It's only 513 by 513 though. But the free version is 513 by. Wait, screen pictures out of the. Whoa! Look at this. I'm gonna change my position of my camera. I'm gonna put it at up here, so it's this. Indie for indie developers and artists. X asset commercial power your support. Build resolution limit only by system RAM. Only by system RAM. Oh, I can see it getting out of hand. Professional, fast build terrain tiles. I mean, probably professional is probably what I'd get. I mean, it's only it's only $180 more. Export has a tier commercial project. 1 year support on unlimited resolutions. Turbocharged builds use up to 256 cores. Multi-modern workstation support. Tiled terrains for massive world size. Automated script building. That's crazy. I mean, that says limited by system RAM, so indie developers, I'll probably get that for start out, then upgrade to professional. Basically, edition not ready to get to buy. Oh, I'll buy the 119 indie thing for like build up to 2 cores, 6 cores, 2 cores. I would definitely want 256 cores. Built to 10 times faster or more with a good workstation. Stop waiting for your builds to finish. Many core performance boost. Whoa. Build massive detailed worlds. Holy smoke, modern games are huge open worlds that allow us to store entire station memory at once. By breaking the world into smaller styles, only accurate is containedly needed to be streamed into memory, and no much detailed landscape. Oh! That's how you do it! So, you break it into smaller tiles, and you could have bigger landscapes. Terrain tile generator. TERRAINTILE generator. You need terrain tile discombobulator generator. I don't know what you call it, but add another tab. Just add another tab. I'm gonna literally break my computer before I add too many tabs. Unity TRAIN tile. TERRAIN. Generating terrain 3D from tile map. How to make a tile turn generation. I'm so tired right now. I would like to sleep. But I guess I gotta wait till 9 o'clock. It's 8:15. It's sunrise. Okay, when's sunrise? What time is sunrise?
Sun will rise at 7:50 a.m.
7:50. So wow, it's late. It just rose then. So I'm about to check Discord. Hold on. Okay, we could do that. Hi again. Still waiting for that to download. I think I got the smaller parts down. I don't know downloading that 1.3 gigabyte file. Probably the it says it's got 12 minutes and 40 seconds. 1.1 out of 1.3 gigabytes. So I'm gonna. Oh, where's my downloads? Because I think I downloaded. Hate Windows zip trial expired. I'll probably uninstall that. But I open with Windows Explorer. Open with Windows Explorer. And extract all. Extract. Oh, it's so big it takes even the computer like a while to extract. I mean, it's a lot faster than the internet that's at 20 megabytes per second. It's megabytes is like, I mean, internet speeds is measured in megabits per second. Well, except, well, mine is still 5 megabits per second. I'm gonna ask my dad if he can upgrade the internet back to its former glory. And please tell him I'm gonna say I'll pay for the internet. Or pay at least part of it, whatever you can't pay. New folder. Probably. I give him rent every month, so it's another $100. I mean, I will only have like $150 left over. I have $250 after rent, so UFP Ultimate FPS Unity package, and then that's also in a zip folder. It looks like the MMORGB and the UFPS Ultimate FPS. Yeah, which is oh yeah, I did. Okay, I think I know what's happened. You go Unity Hub. Now I'm gonna create a new project with the existing new 3D with extras. Now the extras are probably I'm creating a new folder for every game I make. Game 1.1. I'm just gonna call it game 1.1 because I don't want to have to create. Because it's probably gonna update all my. I don't know if I have to actually fail decompress. What? I never got that fail decompress thing before. That's weird. I'll find out. About project. Invalid path. This. Okay, I'm gonna remove this from the list. Game 1.1. I'm just gonna delete game 1.1.0 and just. Oh, that's a big file. Good thing I didn't delete the wrong one. Remove from list. Remove from list. Oh, it literally just did it for me. All the rest. Game one with extras. Oh yes. What Unity? Oh, new folder game 1. Create.